Many retail store owners focus on increasing sales, but they don't always realize that discounts and product mix may actually be reducing their profits. I built this retail profit optimization dashboard to help small retail stores identify where profit is being lost, especially due to aggressive discount strategies. One major insight here is that high discount levels are actually generating negative profits, even when sales volume is strong. Meanwhile, low or no discount strategies are driving the highest profitability. We can also see which regions are contributing the most to overall profit, helping store owners understand where performance is strongest. This type of analysis helps retail businesses stop focusing only on sales and start optimizing for real profitability.